Definitely, chapter 9 review is decided in the book. Okay. Neighborly Badavima, that is, see like Tata with Bidvida, Honia than Habida. Dancer so in Tudure, Piazza so in Pudu. A condition, Dancer so in Barude, Tudure, Piazza so in Pudu, Rally di Talosi, Yanzali Baruyabo, Pilu Yabo. In we connection, Bello Setajaga, or the capacita, near to the copello Setajamare, Heshimele, E capacita, Capita Kuzima, the Saint Cha, to ni deliasica, shini mal, Vinome, and we connection, Pesa de Gemuma, or the capacita, near to Miago, Pesa to Gemuma, Heshimele, E capacita, Capita Kuzima, the Saint Cha, to ni deliasica, Banimale, shini malezero. Dancer so bad, Judy de Bo or Badua, Pasidugina. Lea said to Gina, so Badugina, Judugina, Paduginas way, Judu, the Badasama, Dancer Samabo, or PV, and we go for a Siri connection, or the Basile, Capacita, Bibalco, Comago, E Capacita, Mahe Babare, Shibare, the Saint Chair, to ni Delia sit to Babare, Shibare, or Patiduginas, Lea said to Genesro, was a Salabo, Dancer Salabo, okay? For you, Babe, and we're gonna say, Bessa de Genuma or the Capacita, Lea to Miago, Bessa de Genuma, if you male, there will be a different or there, or E Capacita, Capacita Kuzie, Potential Chana Jinga, the say, to ni male, baby, and we're gonna say, Bessa de Genuma or the Capacita, Lea to Miago, Bessa de Genuma, if you male, there will be a different Potential Chana Jinga or E capacita Kuzi, Leadur Kuzi, potential Chanajinga, the say Banimale, Tuni Male, Patugina, Puitugina, Poya depend upon Puili, Puitunesro, Piazza in Padule, Puitule, Pili, and prele connection or the capacita, comma, the project different or E capacita, a the say, just say I'm low, got a record in a ballet, Piro Ballet. ရှာမိတာသူတို့ကျတဲ့ပါပါပဲအဖြစ်ပဲပြန်ပြီးတော့ဖတ်ထားကြပါတော့အားလုံးကြက်မှချက်တော့ဒွေးစရမြပြောကြပါစေဘေးအန္တရာယ်ပေါင်းလဲကင်းဝေးကြပါစေ